All right, everyone. How are you doing? This is Talali again. First of all, I would like to apologize. I thought that the 15th was a day off, was market holidays, but actually it was, I discovered that at the middle of the trading that it was, trading day. So here are the holidays and trading hours. The scheduled holidays actually is on Monday, January 18th, and not on Friday the 15th. So this is just for your information. All right, let's start with a recap of the 15th of January. Okay, guess what? Today was the break of our streak. Today was not a successful day. And again, this is expected in trading. There is win and there is loss. Let me, while the data is retrieved, say that although it is expected in the trading to be up and down, and there will be and there is a winner day and a losing day, as long as you have a defined strategy, there shall be no problem. So I've looked into the data and I found that today's results were minus 2,600 and something. We can see it now when the data is completed. And again, there is no harm of that. The figure that you see here, which is minus 2,600, and here it comes. Okay, minus $2,663.10 is not all, of course, our loss, because again, we will not be entering the okay. And the good thing here is that there are 27 trades today, not like 49 or something. That the 27, after the 27, there are only 2 winning, which we will talk about them in details. So there are ups and downs, but again, other ups. Sometimes there are some downs, then ups. This is starting with 10,000s. So here, excuse me, here the 2 winning trades were GSMG, and it made 743.40 cents, and ACER $643.50. This is one of the days when you see yourself making 3 consecutive losses and decide not to continue. This is according to the data here. However, when we go to the charts, I think we will have other view. See here, almost half the number of the daily opportunities or signals. So first made minus 2%, which is 293.40 cents. Then you will not enter this one, you will enter this one, and then another minus 139 actual losses. And then here, maybe within 15 minutes, you will go. Let's say that you saw that the market is so slow, moving slowly with no, interesting moves. According to here, when you look at the charts, you will see something else, and we can talk about it. Actually, when you look at the daily signals, this is the back test. But when you are in the market, you will see the other screen that I will show to you in a while, and things are different actually. But according to the back test, Yes, we made a loss of $2,663. But in reality, for the expert, it is not the case, as we will go now. But again, we will stick with the rule and we will report whatever we got in the backtest. So, okay, let's say that this one is the third one that has lost. Then maybe you'll enter the next one at around maybe here. You will miss the winning one. So this is the third one. Then if it loses, you will decide maybe not to continue. There might be here an opportunity, but you might, if I'm trading according to my strategy and the plan and 3 consecutive losses, I will stop loss. I will not continue. So there will be minus 152, minus what we said is minus 139, and minus 293. So it's half the recorded loss actually. All right. I'll make my update short today, as I took longer time on yesterday's update or on Thursday's update. We take you quickly through the daily opportunities. Okay. As I said in the beginning, I missed the first maybe half an hour or 1 hour. I thought that today is a holiday. But the first opportunity clearly will show you that it is below the moving averages, so this will be skipped. This is according to the data here, but when you look into the backtest, now you will find that the system entered you and it recorded the loss. If you look at the chart by yourself, you can easily tell that this is no entry trade. Okay. Next one is DTSS, our yesterday's champion. Today it's obvious that it's moving to the lower side, so you'll not enter here. Maybe if it gives the signal at this area, you will play in the reverse, risky again, but with a close attention, and then you can take your profit and get out of it. WISA, clear downtrending again. Fridays by themselves also are special days that you need to give a special attention also. That Fridays are usually wild, so somebody can easily lose. Okay, next one, UI, ESIs. Nope, again, obvious. AE, SE at 932. Looks tricky, and this is the first actual loss, actually. This is the first one. DTSS at 933. This is what I mentioned earlier sometimes. But 933 is here, the first candle, so again, if somebody enters early, he will lose. If somebody tries to play on the reverse, there is no confirmation. The candle did not close. The next candle did not close on top higher than this one, and of course lower than the pre-market. So I think this is a clear loss as well. Today is not DTSS day. Yesterday was, or Thursdays. Okay. VERO 934, second candle. No. Could be. Somebody could play this looking at the low and then looking at positive, but it will be very tight. There will be the moving average and the other moving average or resistance. Beginning of the market, reddish market was. So although we don't consider our market condition heavily, because here the momentum is, most of the times it's excellent. It's excellent and strong in a way that you cannot predict how high it will go, actually. Okay. AMTX. Same old. There was no clear of return. DTSS 934, still first candle as we talked about it. Here's the second candle, and again, too risky. Okay, moving quickly to next opportunities. I will skip the first hour if you like. Here is one interesting actually. MBRV was clearly going down. South. Okay, the interesting one was PR, sorry. Although it kept continuous signals, but 20 cents was not really a good indication that it will go up. So it made its way. It started positive. That's the interesting thing. See, it tested the break of the moving averages, but that was 942. Sorry, 915. Where am I? Excuse me. Where's 942? Okay, 935, then 40, 42. Yeah, it was testing the resistance, and it managed to break. Notice how it went all the way to recording one full page of the alert signals continuously. Then it broke continued all the way to the resistance. Then it broke it. Then it moved all the way to even to the new resistance. So that was from, was it from 940? Yeah. In this candle, 935, then 940, 40 up to 45, 948. Yeah, here between the two candles here. It was all during the, but the interesting how strong was the signal. Excuse me. And it carried on until the mental resistance, which is the 5. So the maximum was 499. From here, it was a good opportunity to enter, but again, that is really risky. So it is a 2 to 5 minutes trade only. Somebody can jumps in and takes his 7% or even less. Sometimes you see a strong signal and a change in the hammer, okay, in the candle, and then you see a strong momentum, which became later, but it was supposed to start here, but there was a strong sell also that took it down, then again carried on. But this, according to the signals here, this movement here was supposed to be something like that. But again, see when it moved, it was really when it broke, it confirmed the breakage of the two moving averages. It again tested it and then it continued. But here in this opportunity, it's a very risky one. But what makes someone decide to get into this one is the number of the intensity of the signals. But again, the mental barrier of 5 makes someone really consider getting out at 5 and wait for the confirmation and the breakage. Okay, guys, I took already 15 minutes of your time, so I will compensate for yesterday's 30 minutes. I will just take you in a glance here before I conclude. Again, I appreciate your comments. If you have any, please put any comments that you need me to work on for the upcoming updates or recaps. And enjoy your day and catch you on the next trading day. Bye-bye for now.